How to reset Louis credit card PIN. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about resetting the Louis credit card PIN. So let's get started. For that, you have to go to louis.syf.com/login/reset. Just enter this on your web browser and hit enter on your keyboard. Then it will take you to this kind of interface from where you can easily reset your password. For that, you have to first enter the user ID in the first field, followed by the zip code of your country. After you do that, click on continue button. It will take you to the password section where you have to select a new password. And after you do that, click on the login button, continue, and you will be able to log into your account and your password will be successfully reset. And during the password reset process, it will also ask you to reset your PIN. For that, you have to enter a new PIN and then click on reset. This way, you will be able to reset your Louis credit card PIN. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.